Alright, hi and welcome to my presentation. This is going to be my individual reflection for the project and teamwork. So to get started, my name is Caden Smith and my capstone was Clinic 360. So on my team was Zephyrin, Cannon, myself, Andrew, Sammy, and Jordan. And while I was on this team, my main thing was introducing new pages and doing a UI design. So our project is Clinic 360, which is just an integrated healthcare solution that enables clinics and patients to communicate, connect with others, and manage health details. We're focusing on better security, a seamless experience with all the users, and a flexible architecture using Django and React plus TypeScript. So between the first reflection and this one, my contributions to our platform was just developing more onto the availability tab. I updated more into the UI just to polish it for our final product because it wasn't up to a good standard yet. And then I also helped create the edit profile portion of the community tab. And here's a picture of the availability tab of what it looks like now. So my experience with the team. Working with the team was a very positive and overall great experience. It was consistent communication, range of complementary skills that allowed everybody to contribute effectively and keep it moving. I said this last time, but I can just say it more over that it was just great communication. Over the whole course and past course, I've learned more than just in the past, just from my team members in doing this project. And coming from last semester, we all continued just to have reliable and great in balancing the workload between ourselves because of our skills that we ranged over the 2 semesters. So it was an overall great experience. And what I've learned over this whole semester is I've learned to better myself through time management and consistent meetings, just to understand the problems on the project and provide hard deadlines for. Meeting every week is great. It allows, even though people don't want to do it at first, it is great overall because it benefits our project as a whole, because we keep our minds on it every week and we know what someone's doing and who does what, and it's just great communication for everybody. I learned more in new coding methods like Django and NPM packaging just to improve the experience in coding, and just basic setup process too. It made it kind of seamless for everybody, and I've never got to do this before because I've had a project where I was working with multiple people and such an extensive coding project that I haven't got to do this. But and it also taught me better UI designs that match modern standards seen in like our Fortune 500 companies. That was more on expanding how I did the UI design. I looked at other websites and how they kind of configured theirs, how to make it as seamless as possible and provide a better experience. You have to go from others, and I learned from a bunch of websites like that just to see how to design our UI. Products that I helped on and I helped improve. So I worked more on this availability part. So I improved the UI just to make it a better experience because it kind of seemed a little lackluster before. I also helped on the community tab where it allows for edit profile ability where they can communicate with other clients or other patients, So I helped improve on that standard, and then just overall I checked all pages to make sure that the UI matches and there's no inconsistencies with other pages. So yeah, and I believe we have created a great final product. Thank you for watching, and yeah.